Hi there, we're just going to go over our Bigfoot strategy for the day. It's the 28th, and as far as what strategy setup one out, it's the two tick. This is going for plus 10 ticks with a stop of minus 10, and so it was able to handle the shorty. I've got this set up. I left it with my crude oil inventory setup where there's about 10 minutes that it doesn't take a trade. Nothing lined up in that time frame anyway, so it didn't matter. This trade almost knocked it out. It didn't. It was able to hit the 10, so it was able to put up 30 ticks on the day. And as far as earlier, I normally have it with a start time of 9:05, but it was so tight that what I did was I paused my strategy and then I gave it a start time of the U.S. market open. So you can always do that if nothing's moving at the time. Okay, this is our one tick chart. This is I just left a start time of 9:05 with it. Didn't matter, didn't take anything, even though it was very tight and choppy. So it started out with a winner right at the 10 o'clock time frame, and then it took a stop, and then it got two more winners. So at that point, it's up a couple trades, 16 ticks on the day, not bad. Obviously, the two trend was able to put up double that, but for this to put up a couple of winners, I'm very happy with it. And then it got chopped around a bit, so it caught a couple of stops, and then it ended up at just 40 bucks. So, you know, obviously, if you get greedy and you leave it running, you can lose some of the ticks that you made earlier in the day, especially if things just start tightening up on the market. So now we're going to look at our 4-tick chart, which is obviously just for scalping. Okay, so this is the 1-tick chart with the 4-tick target, and obviously, you know, the first move went quite a distance. If you have your hook on, it would get in this area here, and looks like would have been a very big trade in the neighborhood of about 30 ticks just on that first little move. But I didn't have it set up that way. It didn't take anything in that area, and then we had a stop, so it went from the plus 4 ticks to minus 2 ticks, and then caught another winner, and then caught another winner. So then it got pretty close to the, well, it got up to about 60 bucks, and then it had another stop, so now it's flat on the day, and then it had another winner. So it ended up 40 bucks to the good, but a little bit more of a challenge. It was able to get up as high as 60 bucks and then wasn't able to do anything beyond that. But if you're okay with scalping, yeah, it was able to put up some ticks on the day. So remember, I do like to use a 10-10 entry. I don't run counter trend, and just around that start time, things can always be tight. Initially, if you see just a lot of sideways movement, looks like nothing's moving on your charts, feel free to pause it, especially if you're running a 2-tick chart where you're looking for a 10-tick target. It can be hard to make that if the market's not going anywhere. All right, have a good one. I'll cut another video, and I will be out of town next week, August 1st through the 6th. So as far as cutting videos during those days, when I get back in town, I might be able to run through the week or something like that. Okay, enjoy. See you next time.